Night job, my niggas ride my city, understand us. See 100 bandits, each put 100 bands up.
Finally, after all day, I got this motherfucker. It's not bad. I'll definitely be able to use it. It's a little rough, but I'll clean it up. Right here, kind of shaped it out a little bit. Try to see if I could shape it down a little bit more. Wasn't. But I'll straighten that out a little bit more. Definitely be able to use it. And then fucking, for my rain gutter, I'll pull it off of here. It's a little bent, but once I get this off, I feel like I could bend this and get that a little straighter. It'll get rid of the rusted one. This is the passenger side. It's a little bent too, but the passenger side is not too bad. So I might just use some of this and fill it in with what I got there.
Hell of a year, I'ma make it count while I'm here. God is the only man I fear. Cause it's like a long gone, and that stupid strong.
And then what I'm thinking for this area, all this shit right here, after I get the section I need out of here, which will probably be like from here to here, from like this area up, and then from like this area down. I feel like that might be the easiest places to clean those up. So I'll do that, and then I'll replace that whole side. But I'll be able to use this section to replace parts of this section. I'll be able to use from like right here to right here. And then like little stuff like this, I'll try to fill it. And then I'll probably get one piece, like little shit like that, get filled. I'll try to do this shit at one piece, all that shit at one piece, and then that at one piece. That way I can fix that fucking little rail there. So I'm waiting for the little drill bit tool to remove the spot welds. That way I can remove the top from the car. But while I'm doing that, I've been working on this other little stuff. I took this piece out. You can see it's got like a little bit of roundness, exactly what this needs here. I'm gonna cut that out, weld that in there. It'll be something like that. Pull that from here. This is the extra fucking pillar from the front window. So it has like the perfect fucking little lip and everything for the window. I got lucky on that one. That's just like the perfect shape too. Right here you can kind of see how it's straight, and then right there, this little area is where it starts curving out. So I'm gonna try to put this to the curve. That way it looks clean, and I can just clean it up with the metal. I got a little crazy right here with the grinder, but I fill it in and fucking clean it up. So, damn. I gotta find that now. We'll be back. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I had to end up cutting this piece because this back corner sits lower than right here. So I had to cut it out. I'm gonna put another piece in here, weld it together. The good thing about this spot is once I finish welding it, I'll be able to go through the trunk and I should be able to fucking seal it up pretty good so it doesn't rust anymore. And then I should be able to do the same with all these little back panels right here. Alright, so I got it in. I gotta fucking weld the inside up, weld this piece in. That's gonna go in. I gotta shave it down a little bit to fit better. Weld it up, then clean it up, and then I'll work on this side. So, came out not too bad. I got these little spaces right here. I don't think I'm gonna try to fill them. Like, I might grind this one out a little bit more, but I don't want to like fill this one a little bit more because this is the stock body. This isn't the new piece, and that shit's super thin. So I'll probably end up filling that with the body filler, the little stuff like that. But like, look, that shit's fucking tiny. So I know they're not deep, but I don't want to blow through with the welder. This shit, I was grinding a little too much. Took out a little too much, but I think it'll be fine. I got this corner grinded out pretty good. Now I gotta fuck with this shit late. I'd probably do this tomorrow. I'm probably done for today. Get some dinner or something. But yeah, nah, that shit came out pretty decent.
Nigga, act Stacy. I'm so Lamar Park, I could be the logo. Don't mean the name drop when I'm laying vocals. I've been living stress-free, getting paid in total. Can't you see I'm the one trying to keep it kosher? Late bitches with bitches, did it for the culture. Big Vine in the Bay, he know I've been global. Mr. Rogers in the H, that's my dog for show. We still eat Whataburger like a nigga broke.
I know it doesn't look the best, but it's not too bad. It's not all jagged and catching nothing. And then it's got like a little low spot. This is where I took my measurement from when I started. It was a 30 mil. So if you start back there, you can see where it says flush. You pull it over. It has a little low spot right there. And you just keep coming. It has that little tiny low spot in the center. That was exactly where my weld was, so it fucking sank. But what I'm gonna do is when I fill this with lead, I'm gonna try to fucking fill that with lead too. But I got this fucking panel in here for the window. Fix that. It's not perfect. I don't do this shit for a living, so I feel like that's pretty decent.